control your browser, and you can literally chat to it. This is directly inside N8N. So for example, if we open up the chat over here, and I will give you the free template at the end of this video as well, kind of want to show you the AI working live. So let me refresh the chat session now, and then we're going to run this prompt again, just as an example. And you see how that's initializing the browser, which is great. Then it's opening up Open Router, it's inputting the text, and then we've got the live view over here, right? So you can see how it's navigated to Amazon, and it's typing in wireless headphones in the top bar. Now you can take control of the browser as well if you want to. You can see here essentially it's looking through the page, it's clicking things, it's waiting for things to load, and typing anything. I'm not touching the screen, etc. This is just basically using the AI to control our browser. Now, the other cool thing about this as well is you can actually assign logins inside AirTop. So when it's controlling your browser, it can then actually log into your social media. Or if you wanted to, it could log into your Amazon account and buy stuff for you, that sort of stuff, if you were feeling really crazy, right? And so essentially, you can see how the AI interacts with the browser and different websites using this process. Now, if we close that down, right, and then we go back to AirTop, so if we go back to our AirTop dashboard over here, what you can actually see inside the profile section on the left, once you've signed in, is you can connect this to different social media profiles, right? So you can save credentials to the profile, which means, for example, if you wanted to save Twitter, or you wanted to, for example, save your LinkedIn profile, maybe your Amazon account. Again, I don't recommend it. Like, it's probably not very safe, but if you wanted to, you could. I just want to show you what's possible. Then you can use this whole process.